the series, and then so we're playing Chocobo Polo, and so this is part 1 of the overprotective
Sabi niya yung paano kami
child. So,
palabas ng gate. Sabi niya, don't
let's
tell
get
about,
started.
don't tell it to ate eh. Sabi niya. Hindi mo sasabihin kay ate niya. Don't tell about it to ate. Okay? Sabi niya.
Bakit I will tell it not?
Sasabihin daw ni daddy kay ate niya.
That's my
Is it okay?
No, don't talk about this, or else Ate will come in fast.
Ha?
Or else Ate will come in fast.
Pass.
Come in fast.
I will tell happy. What's your classmate? Ano? Good.
But let's design it to
What's your classmate's reaction?
make it good. I'll just
we read on the classroom.
add like a plan.
If your classmates say about that, Anika, just ignore them, okay? Just ignore mo lang sila, okay? Anika.
Understand. And then I'll just add this.
Ignore mo lang sila and then they're gonna stop you.
This. How about
Okay, okay?
no? I'll put add this light. It's nice. I love this one now. It's for my bedroom now. It's so just we'll just lock the door. Look at this. So fun. It's funny. Run, buddy. It's now just to play the channels. Just remove this. And K9.
Sa kabila na.
So they go to my bedroom.
What's this?
I don't know.
I don't like it.
Good morning, good morning. May video na.
Narinig mo yung sabi ni teacher niya. Higib ko na daw niya tomorrow kay teacher. Okay po? Hindi po kasi iyak-iyak mo daw. Always nagsisigaw daw kasi.
I'll just prepare that was what's for this? It's 7:20 a.m. Not in real life. In this game. And then I just got the ham out of the fridge. Wait. Mom says my breakfast is pancakes. I'm just saying it and took a hookah. Oh, it's really dark, and then I'll take that blanket. I'll just put it on the sofa. So, I'll prepare the pancakes.
Pacheck mo kay teacher yung sulat na yung ano sir, masabi ko pagka may ganun, di ba lagi mong gagawin tapos lagi mong papacheck kay teacher kasi graded din yung anak eh, para meron kang ano score. You don't have grades na pag hindi mo pinacheck. Lagi mo papacheck pag ganun ha. Intindihan po? Pinacheck na yung araw. Sabihin nila hindi ka pumasok. Kahit nag-uwi ka doon sa classroom.
There you go, husband.
Sino katabi mo na?
On the same classmate.
Si Akisha? Ano sabi ni Akisha na Willy ka?
I don't know.
Ano? I don't know na naman. Hindi mo narinig? Hindi sila nag-talk ng something about ano ka na Willy. Like that? Sino nakakita anak mo ng Willy ka?
Everybody.
Everybody?
I'll just grab this highlighter. I need to put this pencil back. Oh, and I'll just grab this pink
Nika, asan ba yung math notebook mo?
under classroom.
Ha? Bukas daling mo na ha. Hindi ko na... May assignment kayo sa math daw. Nasusulat ka ba sa maths?
Hindi.
Anika, ano na nangyayari? Asan yung math mo?
Sa school.
Bukas daling mo na yun ha.
Um, I'll just watch some TV for entertainment.
You ulit your filming because your mommy's voice is in there. Again mo, again. Ulit it again. Post it. Pag nag-film ka, you have to wear ng ano ba yun? Headset.
Turn on this. My sister always wears like makeup. So why did it pop out this? So I'll just put a little bit of this. So I'll just start it. And not but now. And then we'll just keep some stuff right here. Maybe I'll just I'll have a tattoo, super cat. And so I'll just got this. Just kind of big. It's unfair.
Sino yung teacher niyo anak sa math?
This.
Aral math.
I don't know.
I don't know. Si Ben nagpapakilala yon. Anong pangalan mo?
Claude.
Ha?
Claude.
Teacher Claude? Huh? Sure ka? You're lying siguro. May natuturo sa kanila ng math eh. Di ba yung nag-aaral ng math? Paano kasi hindi ka naman dapat kasama dun? Sana hindi ka naihi. Uwi ka na ng 11.
So, bye.
Araw-araw ba yun? Araw na?
Hindi tuwing ano.